My name is Ralph Perez, and I am the manager of Eco Services here in Firestone at Riverside, California. The new plug design compared to the old design is a lot more sophisticated. The materials used are a lot better, and I feel like they outperform even the original equipment plugs that we used to have to buy out at a much more reasonable cost. I would recommend the Bosch fine wire spark plugs over anything out there for any car out there. The plugs not needing anti-seize is one of the big selling points on the plug. It makes it a lot easier to install and not have to shove them in there. A lot easier to put in, and they make the job a lot faster, and of course it makes the technician more productive. Our expectations for Bosch have gone from a 1 to a 10. These plugs have over exceeded anything that we think that they would perform. What surprised me the most about the Bosch fine wire spark plugs is not only the price point on the plug. These plugs are priced at a point where there should be about $40 to $50 a plug, and we sell them at $9.99 a piece here, and that's a price point that you don't see in even some of the original equipment plugs. We usually have to get those for $15, $20, $30, and the performance of the plugs outperform what those $20, $30 plugs would do, and they'd last a lot longer. Our initial apprehension to use these plugs, other than using them for German vehicles, would be that we thought that they wouldn't have the right heat range for some of the American cars and some of the Japanese vehicles. And as soon as we started using them, the Japanese vehicles started outperforming their own mileage according to the customers, and they would run a lot smoother as well. I feel like I'm comfortable using them in almost any application. In fact, every application that comes in here that has a part number from Bosch, I will use, because I trust the plug and I feel like it's going to perform well and not give me any comebacks.